The LSU AgCenter has announced their Fall 2022 Louisiana Super Plant. And it's actually a group of plants that we know affectionately as ornamental peppers. Now these are annual plants, meaning that they'll complete their life cycle in 1 year, and they are just great for planting in the springtime, but also again in the fall. So another round of crops. And what's so wonderful about them is that they have those gorgeous fall colors that we're so accustomed to. Now these yellow peppers will give way and change color into orange and then that bright red. So all those colors that we associate with the fall, that sometimes we have that envy of our northern climates where they have that great fall foliage change, we can bring that color into our landscapes with ornamental peppers. Now there are also some varieties that have those purple, dark purple colors that we kind of associate with Halloween. So we've got that dark purple and that orange, and it's just very festive for the fall season. Now these can be planted now and they can be found in nurseries. There are several varieties that the Hammond Research Station has trialed and recommended. One of those is one of my personal favorites. It's called Chili Chili, and it's got these tiny little peppers. Also, one of the most favorites is Purple Flash. I really like this one. It's a variegated, has that creamy white, purple, and green foliage. Then we have the Black Pearl, just that dark, almost black foliage. And then we have Red Missile here with our typical colors. But there are lots of varieties that you can choose from. Incorporate them into your landscapes for this fall. They will make it through the winter into the spring if we don't have a hard freeze, and they just provide so much color and fruit. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.